Hi, Lena. You're home. How was college today? Hi, Mom. It was good, but it was a very busy day. You look tired. I am. We had classes, assignments, and a presentation today. You've been working hard lately. Yes. It feels like every day is the same. Then maybe you need a short break. I was thinking the same thing. Do you have anything in mind? Yes. I'd really like to visit Uncle's farm this weekend. Uncle's farm? That's a wonderful idea. I haven't been there for a long time. Your uncle will be very happy to see you. I miss the fresh air, the green fields, and the peaceful environment. Life on a farm is very different from city life. That's exactly why I want to go. I just want to relax and spend a day close to nature. I think it's a great idea. Nature has a way of refreshing both the mind and the heart. I'll call Uncle and ask if I can visit tomorrow. I'm sure he'll say yes. I hope so. I can't wait to see the farm again. I'm sure you'll have a wonderful day and learn many new things. Thank you, Mom. I already feel excited. Then get some rest tonight. Tomorrow will be a special day. I will. Good night, Mom. Good night, Lina.
Lena, welcome to the farm.
Hi, Uncle. It's so nice to see you.
It's wonderful to see you too. How was your journey?
It was great. The weather was pleasant, and I enjoyed the trip.
I'm glad to hear that. It's been a long time since your last visit.
Yes, I've been busy with college, so I couldn't come earlier.
Your mom told me you've been studying very hard.
That's true. Classes and assignments have kept me busy.
Then you've come to the perfect place. A day on the farm will help you relax.
I already feel peaceful. The fresh air here is amazing.
That's one of the best things about living on a farm.
I can hear birds singing everywhere.
Every morning, they become our natural alarm clock.
That's much nicer than my phone alarm.
I agree. Farm mornings are simple but full of life.
Uncle, your farm looks much bigger than I remembered.
It has grown over the years. I've added more vegetable fields and fruit trees.
I can't wait to see everything.
Then let's start with the vegetable garden. I'll show you how we grow fresh vegetables.
That sounds exciting. Let's go. Wow, Uncle, there are so many vegetables here.
Yes, this is my favorite part of the farm.
What vegetables do you grow?
We grow tomatoes, carrots, spinach, cucumbers, and peppers.
They all look so fresh.
That's because we take good care of them every day.
Do you water them every day?
Yes, especially during hot weather. Plants need water, sunlight, and healthy soil to grow well.
How long does it take for vegetables to grow?
It depends on the vegetable. Some grow in a few weeks, while others take a few months.
Farming requires a lot of patience, doesn't it?
It certainly does. A farmer can't hurry nature.
Have you always enjoyed farming?
Since I was young, my father taught me everything I know.
So farming has been in our family for many years?
That's right. Every season teaches us something new.
What's the most important lesson farming has taught you?
Hard work, patience, and never giving up. Some seasons are easy and some are difficult, but we always keep going.
That's a lesson everyone can use in life.
Exactly. Success doesn't happen overnight, whether you're farming or studying.
I'll remember that whenever my college work feels difficult.
Good. Now, would you like to pick a fresh tomato?
Really? I'd love to.
Go ahead. Choose the ripest one.
This is my first time picking a tomato from a plant.
And I hope it won't be your last.